This isn't just a classic Lincoln, it's a rolling five-star hotel on wheels. Meet the breathtaking 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V. The moment this 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V glides into view, time seems to slow down. Its endless hood, commanding chrome grille, and unmistakable luxury instantly transport you back to an era when bigger truly meant better. This wasn't just another American coupe. It was Lincoln's statement that comfort, prestige, and elegance could all exist in one unforgettable automobile. And today, we're taking a close look at this beautifully preserved example, priced at $35,900, to discover why the Mark V continues to capture the hearts of collectors and luxury car enthusiasts around the world. Finished in its stunning Jade Moondust Metallic factory paint, this Lincoln shines with an elegance that modern vehicles rarely achieve. The sophisticated metallic finish changes character as the light moves across its sculpted body, highlighting every graceful curve. Adding to its unmistakable presence is the elegant white vinyl roof, a signature luxury feature that perfectly complements the body color and creates the timeless two-tone appearance that defined premium American automobiles during the late 1970s. Walk toward the front, and the legendary Hideaway headlights immediately steal the spotlight. Hidden neatly behind matching panels when turned off, they create a sleek and sophisticated front fascia unlike anything on today's roads. Once opened, they reveal the classic dual headlights that helped define Lincoln's unmistakable identity. Combined with the massive chrome grille and factory front bumper, the Mark V possesses an elegance that feels more like a luxury yacht than a traditional automobile. Moving along the sides, the elegant factory pinstripe adds just the right amount of refinement without overpowering the design. Every body panel flows smoothly toward the dramatically sculpted rear fenders, giving the coupe its famous long and low silhouette. Completing the look are the beautiful turbine-style hubcaps wrapped in 235/75 R15 tires at both the front and rear. They preserve the authentic factory appearance while providing the smooth ride expected from one of America's greatest luxury cruisers. Lift the enormous hood and you'll discover the dependable 400 cubic inch Ford V8 engine. Rather than chasing extreme horsepower, this power plant was engineered for effortless cruising, delivering generous low-end torque and whisper-quiet performance. Every press of the accelerator reminds you that luxury isn't always about speed. Sometimes it's about making every mile feel effortless. Power is delivered through the legendary Ford C6 3-speed automatic transmission, one of the most durable automatic gearboxes ever produced. Gear changes are nearly invisible, allowing the engine's smooth power delivery to remain uninterrupted whether you're cruising through town or floating comfortably down the interstate. Paired with the stock rear end, the drivetrain preserves the authentic driving experience that Lincoln engineers originally intended. Fuel delivery comes courtesy of the factory-style carburetor, maintaining originality while ensuring dependable operation. It's another detail that classic car enthusiasts appreciate, preserving both the authenticity and mechanical character of this magnificent luxury coupe. Comfort was always Lincoln's highest priority, and this Mark V demonstrates exactly why. Equipped with factory air conditioning, the cabin remains cool and relaxing during warm summer drives. Meanwhile, cruise control transforms long highway journeys into effortless experiences, allowing the driver to enjoy mile after mile of quiet, uninterrupted comfort. Safety and confidence are equally impressive thanks to four-wheel power disc brakes providing smooth and controlled stopping power. Combined with the factory suspension, the Mark V glides over rough pavement with remarkable grace, isolating passengers from imperfections in the road. Even today, few vehicles deliver such a soft, floating ride. Open the massive doors, and you're welcomed into an interior that's every bit as luxurious as the exterior promises. The beautiful jade interior surrounds passengers in rich color, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The centerpiece is the famous lounge-style front seating, designed more like the plush furniture found in an upscale living room than traditional automotive seats. Every journey becomes an occasion to relax. Enhancing the cabin even further is the elegant walnut burl trim, adding warmth and sophistication across the dashboard and door panels. It's a reminder that luxury during this era focused on craftsmanship and comfort rather than oversized digital screens. Convenience features continue throughout the cabin. Power windows operate effortlessly, while both front and rear seatbelts ensure practicality for every passenger. A factory CB radio, once considered cutting-edge technology, remains a nostalgic feature that recalls an era when drivers communicated across highways long before smartphones existed. Hidden away in the trunk is the original spare tire, completing the car's factory-equipped practicality. Beneath this luxurious cruiser lies an undercarriage that's equally impressive. A new gas tank ensures dependable fuel storage for years to come, while the factory underside components remain in excellent condition, reflecting careful ownership and preservation throughout the vehicle's lifetime. These details are especially important for collectors searching for originality combined with long-term reliability. What truly makes the 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V so special is its place in automotive history. It represents one of the last great full-size American luxury coupes before changing regulations and evolving consumer tastes transformed the industry forever. Everything about this car, from its enormous dimensions to its effortless ride quality, celebrates an era when comfort came before compromise. At $35,900, this beautifully maintained Mark V offers far more than classic transportation. It delivers an authentic slice of American automotive history. Its factory-correct Jade Moondust Metallic finish, white vinyl roof, hidden headlights, powerful 400 cubic inch V8, luxurious jade interior, and impressive originality combine to create a collector car that's becoming increasingly desirable every year. Driving this Lincoln isn't about racing to the destination. It's about enjoying every moment along the journey. Every mile is quiet, smooth, and elegant. Every glance from passing motorists reminds you that true luxury never goes out of style. The 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V remains a symbol of confidence, craftsmanship, and timeless American prestige. It stands as a reminder that some cars aren't simply built, they're designed to create an experience. If you enjoyed this incredible luxury classic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cinematic features showcasing the world's most iconic, classic, and collector cars. Until next time, keep your passion for automotive history alive, and we'll see you in the next ride.